How to add job alerts on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up job alerts on LinkedIn using your mobile device. This tutorial guides you through the steps to receive notifications for new job postings that match your preferences. So for this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the LinkedIn application is same on both of the devices. So you're gonna head over and log into your LinkedIn account. And then you're going to click on jobs here at the bottom right. And then you're going to search for a specific job role. For example, I'm going to type something like this. And once you do so, you're going to select your location, whether you want it remote, the date posted, experience level, company, etc. And over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option that says get job alerts for this search. So you're going to toggle this button on. And once you have done that, you're going to head over, go to jobs again. And here at the top left, you'll be able to see preferences. And then here, you're going to click on job alerts. And it would, just give you all of the job alerts that you have enabled. Now, if you wish to customize them, you can click on this pencil icon. And here, you can select whether you want the alert frequently, such as daily or weekly. And then you can select the notification type, email a notification, email or notification. And here, you're going to select get notified of similar jobs. And when no jobs match your alert. After that, if you wish to delete the job alert, you can simply click on delete job alert if you don't want that. And that's it. That's how you can add job alerts on LinkedIn. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.